In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face on your iPhone. So you can see that I have this photo here, and I'm going to show you how we can go and censor the face. Now to do this, we need to go and first open up the App Store on your phone, and using the search box, we're just going to type in CapCut and press search. Now this is a free application that you can go and download to your device, and once you have downloaded this, just press open. Now from here, click on New Project, and then just go and select the photo that you want to blur the face from. Once you've selected your photo, press Add in the bottom right hand side. Now the first thing we need to do is make sure your video clip is deselected like this. You can then press Effects in the bottom navigation and click on Body Effects. Using the search box, we're just going to type in blur and press search, and then go and click on this very first effect, and then you can close out of this window. We're then going to select our video, scroll across the bottom navigation until you see a feature called Duplicate, and then go and click on Duplicate. With your second video selected, scroll across the navigation and select Overlay, and then hold down on your video clip and move it just directly below the first video. Now what you can do is go and select your second video. You can then scroll across the navigation items until you see a feature called Mask. Now once you've seen Mask, go and click on it, click on Circle, and then click on Invert in the bottom left hand side. Now you can go and move your circle to exactly the face that you want blurred. You can also change the dimensions of this by moving the arrows either up or down, and you can also change the intensity of the blur by adjusting this small icon at the bottom. And once you're finished, just press Export in the top right hand side. Now this will export as a video into your photo gallery. So what you need to do from here is go and open up your photos and then click on that video that we just created. And from here we can just go and take a screenshot of the video like so. Once you've taken your screenshot, go and open it up. You can then click on the edit tool in the bottom navigation, and you could go and crop this image to get rid of these black borders. And then once you're finished, press done in the top right hand side. And as you can see, we now have our image with a blurred face.